idea is brilliant. There should be a word for giving people things to win their approval.
You mean bribery?
Bribery. Ooh, sounds so noble. Mart, have you collected all the mangoes for the bribery?
I have collected them, and I saved the sweetest one for you, King Julien.
There you are.
Your Majesty, we've been looking all over for you. Are you reading?
Yes, I have read the entire history of our kingdom. We are so messed up.
King Julien, have you slept?
Nope. It's amazing what you can accomplish without sleep. All the do's are done's now, Maurice. And with the free time left over, I had time to start work on something called a rock opera. Check it. That's the Act 1 outro. I call it Musings of a Sad Pineapple.
King Julien, this is incredible.
No, Maurice. It's coffee. It brought out the truly kingly potential buried underneath my Julian layer pots. I have been peeled.
If that's true, where can I get a cup? This kingdom would be crime-free in a day if I didn't have to sleep.
Clover, you psychotic genius! I'm having an idea!
I was on this dreadful vacation. Everyone was happy and relaxed and playing games. It was a nightmare.
Vacation is a tool the ruling class uses to enslave us.
I don't think I've ever met anyone like you.
I have. My reflection played out 1,000,000 times on the dew of a leaf. A leaf attached to a tree I planted with these paws. A closed circle. Your friends are probably wondering where you are.
I'm sure they haven't even noticed I'm gone. Perhaps you could show me around?
On it.
That's my favorite phrase.
Mine too.
Oh, right there on the lower back. Forever. Okay.
Everybody groove now. Everybody. Pump the bass.
What? It is my kingly duty to share this hilariousness with the world. Oh, wow.
Oh, very nimble for so much junk in his trunk.
Everybody groove now. Everybody. How long have you all been there?
Maurice, why do you sound so mopey? Do you not see how many fanboys you have made today by letting your freaky flag fly?
It's not funny.
I agree, it's not funny. It's hilarious!
Hey, look, I'm Maurice. I'm smacking my butt cheek.
I wonder what has gotten into him.
King Julien, we have a problem with the royal to-do list.
What kind of problem, Maurice? I see, yes, there does appear to be a lot of do unattended to.
Crime is up, housing is a mess, royal proclamations are unsigned.
Okay, I get it. You're behind on your duties. I forgive.
They're your duties.
Hello.
Why is more tied to the end of your fishing line?
Why, you ask? Because of this.
Yeah, so?
So, did you not see the words king, of which I am, and magic, of which I want?
King Julien, can I take a break? The squeezy rope is making my inside parts feel all poppy.
Are you holding my magic sack?
No?
Tell me this isn't more important than a lot of king chores.
I got it, King Julien,
My sack!
I was only partially digested.